Hey, what's up? It's Bill with Seeds of Nature Water Gardens, and today we are out in Beaverton, Oregon, and we are going to start a rebuild project for an existing pond and waterfall. And this one's going to be really great because we have a lot of mossy and lichen covered stone that's already existing, so automatically that's going to make this project look aged and like it's been here forever. So a couple of problems with this feature. It was built a while ago, and they used concrete to cover the liner up. They kind of split it up a little strangely. They didn't bury the liner deep enough, so water is escaping multiple paths. Yeah, there's just a bunch of issues. It kind of looks like a volcano a little bit. They actually did a pretty good job with the waterfalls, in my opinion, but we're gonna make it just a little bit better. We're gonna make it more functional. We're gonna put a pondless basin, so the water is gonna recirculate. It's gonna be underground, so there's gonna be less maintenance. They're gonna be able to clean out the leaves and any debris. We're also gonna build a small pooling area near the middle top of the stream section because they want to make sure that they have a place for all the native wildlife to come and hang out and get water, whatnot. So, all right, well, I'll turn this around and I'll show you a little bit of the problems and kind of my plan to get this going. This is the pond area. It's actually pretty wide, so the basin that we're going to be putting in here is only going to be about 5 feet by 5 feet. So we're gonna have a little bit extra space here, so when we start to dig out this bottom falls, this is not going to be as high as it is. I want to dig this back, this entire area back, so it looks like the water has eroded this away. This stream is currently about 22 feet long, maybe. We're only going to make it about 15 feet long, but digging this back is going to give us a little bit more breathing room. We really want to create multiple waterfalls, multiple channels. So I'm going to walk over here. Excuse the bumpiness. So here we have a little pooling area. We're going to replicate this as well. You see how high this waterfall is. So we're going to bring this down. It's actually going to start about right here. Got this dilapidated bridge. So this is one of the leaking areas. You can see the liner, you can see the concrete over it. It splits over here. Water's just leaking all over the place. The stream wasn't dug deep enough, so we're gonna make sure that we get everything going. We're gonna have to remove a sprinkler head, cap that, and get some of this peak out or whatever you call it. We'll move that out of the way. Of course, we have some challenges. Of course, we have this tree here. We'll pull some of these plants out. I'm going to pull these bushes out, and this is our access. So our access goes back here, and then we have, that's where we're going to enter in through to the driveway. All right, well, I mean, as you can see from the absolute destruction, I have the majority of it torn out. I mean, broken up, I guess, tomorrow. I mean, can you see this? Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Concrete and rock. I'm gonna use as much of this rock as I can. I don't want to waste anything. It has moss and lichen growing all over it, so it's great. It's gonna naturalize everything. But I'm tired. Did pretty much all this demo by myself. I mean, all of it. I'm only one person. I'm so tired that I'm assuming that I'm two people. I don't know. So anyway, yeah, tomorrow when I have some guys with me, we're gonna be able to get all this stuff packed in my truck, clean it all up. I'm gonna be able to dig the basin tomorrow. That's the goal. Clean this up, dig the basin, get everything up. I have some wires I gotta peel back. I gotta cap a irrigation line. Should be pretty easy, straightforward. I mean, Yeah, that's all I got for today. So I'll be back tomorrow, and we're gonna get back and get this project finished. All right, we're back, day 2, and oh, someone's calling me. And now we just got to basically get all this concrete, get all this debris and whatnot into the truck so we can take it out of here, so we can actually start shaping all the shelves, and we can start building our basin. All right, so we got a lot done. We got the basin dug out. We took 2 tons of cement, old liner, carpet, there, all kinds of stuff in there, out to the dump, got rid of all that stuff. I mean, 2 tons, yeah. Let's see, we got the basin dug, we got it all leveled out, got everything ready to go to put liner in. It is hot. It was like almost 95 degrees right now, and I know you're thinking, well, you guys work outside. Well, I mean, this is like the first day it's this hot in a long time, so gotta take a little bit getting used to, you know. So we're gonna call it a day. Got a lot of office work and stuff to do anyway. We'll be back at it tomorrow, get this lined, and we can finally start to dig out our shelves for the stream area, get that lined, and then we can start rocking in. We got to rock it and deliver tomorrow, so I'm excited. All right.
Start it up.
So finally gonna call it a day. Got a lot done. We cut a little bit of the liner up. We got some of the stream rocked in. We got most of the waterfalls built. Pretty much all that's left is to hook up the plumbing and, you know, finish rocking. Then we can foam, throw the rest of the gravel in there, do touch up stuff, then clean up because kind of made a mess, but it happens. So yeah, I smell people cooking barbecue. It smells pretty good. It's making me hungry. So I'm gonna go home. I'll see you tomorrow. All right, back. Man, it's a nice day. I can tell. It's gonna be like 70 degrees, so got a little bit of work done. Got the spillway set up. It's basically a diffuser, and water goes into it, and instead of just coming out of a pipe and looking like it's spraying out of a pipe, the diffuser actually disperses the water evenly so that it has a more natural appeal. And we do that by actually cutting into the liner, and a lot of people are afraid of installing skimmers and anything that they've cut into the liner because they just don't know what they're doing. But that's okay, because I do. So we cut into the liner, and he uses a gasket fitting with silicone, and we tighten that up, and I put a patch on it as well so that it has even more stronger bond. Tighten it up, it looks really good. That way everything's hidden, the plumbing can go seamlessly into the feature, and we're gonna be able to cover the diffuser with gravel so we can have that really cool spring, you know, effect where the water's just coming up and you don't know where it's coming from. You're like, oh wow, this is really natural. So yeah, that's it. We're gonna get some more rocking done, finally some gravel, some of our gaps, foam it, and then we're gonna get this thing going. Well, that's a wrap. That's all we got for you. Really enjoyed this project. It was really challenging taking all that concrete out and then being able to manipulate the rocks that were already here. It's a lot of fun for me, and they have a lot of moss and lichen on them, so it just makes it so much fun. I'm really happy with how this turned out. Definitely every single one I do, I get better and better, and I kind of surprise myself. So I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video. It helps me out a lot. Share it with your friends if you enjoyed it. Let me know down below, what was your favorite part. Do you like the frog? Do you like knickknacks? Are you more of a naturalistic person? Let me know. All right, that's it. Thank you. Have a good one.